Mold growth in a crawl space begins with one simple factor: moisture. When humid air, groundwater intrusion, plumbing leaks, or poor ventilation introduce excess moisture into a dark, enclosed crawl space, organic materials such as wood framing, insulation, and subflooring become prime food sources for mold spores. These microscopic spores are always present in the air, but when relative humidity rises above about 60%, they can colonize and spread rapidly. Our team conducts a thorough inspection to identify moisture and humidity. Then we implement targeted solutions such as professional mold remediation, crawlspace encapsulation, dehumidification systems, and drainage improvements. Heartstrong not only removes existing mold, but also helps prevent future growth, protecting your family's health.